Hey there, Casey. I'm at TaxSaleAcademy.com. Today I want to talk to you about something that can really boost your tax sale investment business. And that is a tax sale cheat sheet. If you're serious about making money as a tax sale investor, this little tool can be a game changer for you. People ask me all the time, how do you know where you should invest at? And which areas should you skip? Which areas should you go to? Well, for me, it's as simple as pulling out a spreadsheet and taking a peek at it. It shows me the markets that match my criteria, that have upcoming auctions that I'll then begin to start researching. So what exactly is a tax sale cheat sheet? And how can you develop one? It's a very personalized reference guide where you will compile all the crucial information that you need to know about different markets. Think of it like your treasure map. It includes details like which markets are good to invest in, when the auctions take place, what types of payments are accepted, and even whether the auctions are online or in person. It also covers the different types of tax sale systems, whether it's a lien or a deed state, the redemption periods, and most importantly, how competitive each specific market is. All of this is right there at your fingertips. Now, it's important to understand that your cheat sheet and my cheat sheet are going to be entirely different because we are different people. We have different budgets, different experiences, different preferences. The entire idea is to create your cheat sheet based on your preferences. So why is this important in the first place? Truthfully, it prevents you from wasting valuable time in the future. With a cheat sheet, you can instantly know where to invest next, and more importantly, where you should skip. This means less wasted time at auctions that don't fit your strategies and more time spent on the ones that do. So just imagine being able to move from this auction, which was absolutely amazing, to the next auction, which is also amazing. And you're just maximizing the profits here while you minimize the guesswork. So instead of sifting through a whole bunch of websites hoping you stumble across a good auction, you have a streamlined process, a guide that keeps you focused on the markets that have the highest returns. So now that you understand the importance of having a tax sale cheat sheet, how in the world can you create one? Well, it all starts with research. Yes, you will have to put forth effort initially. What happens with most people is they'll start investing in one or two markets. Eventually, they'll get capped, or the quality of properties or the margins will just not be where they want it. So they start expanding the market areas that they want to invest in. And they do this by performing research. Now, instead of performing your research in a style where you go to one site and then the next, hoping something just jumps out at you and you start researching properties there, do it in a methodical fashion. Actually, take the time to dig into one county. Because the entire idea here is to determine whether you want to invest more time into researching that specific county in the future. So as you go through the counties, look at things like key market indicators, track when and how auctions take place, understanding the payment methods that are available there. If you're a credit card only investor, that's going to be very important to you. Learn the tax sale systems, the local customs. Keep an eye on how competitive each market is. Make notes about what you like, about what you dislike. Put all that information into your spreadsheet. That way, in the future, when you need another market, you don't have to start all over with all that information. As you research every individual county, make a spreadsheet and put that information into it for you. Now, once you've added all this information into your spreadsheet, which is ideally organized or has the ability to be sorted by state and county, once you have all that, if you do decide to attend auctions in these places, go back and update that information based on your real-time experience opposed to the previous research you've done and assumptions based off the previous auction results that you analyze. Understand, we have this list. The entire idea of this list is in the future, whether that is next month, 6 months from now, or 10 years from now, we can simply go back to this list and say, yep, that was a fantastic county, I'm going to go back, or that county cost me a lot of time, a lot of money, not going to go back there. You don't want to continue just be bouncing back and forth all over the country, hoping something jumps out at you. Be very methodical in your research. Remember here, the goal is to save time and maximize your profits. And we do that by investing a little bit of time right now, no matter how green you are to this business. If you're just starting out, start this cheat sheet right now. That way, when you have this, when you develop this solid cheat sheet over the next few years, you'll know exactly where to invest, where to avoid, and how to make every auction count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, make sure you also turn on the notifications for more tips on becoming a successful tax sale investor. Hey, thanks so much for watching. For more information on the tax sale business, check out all the links in today's video description, including the one to our primary site at taxsaleacademy.com. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.